Rahim. Question number 4. A force is acting on a body making an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. The horizontal component of the force is 20 Newton. Find the force. Solution. Given data, f of x is equal to 20 Newton and angle theta is equal to 30 degree. We know that, and we have to find the force F. We know that tangent theta is equal to Fy over Fx. This implies Fy is equal to Fx into tangent theta. So y component or vertical component is equal to 20 into tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree we calculate from the calculator. This is equal to 20 into 0.5773 into 20 is equal to 11.54. Now F is equal to Fx square plus Fy square under root is equal to 20 square plus 11.54 square, which is equal to 400 plus 133.33 plus 400 533.33 23.09 Newton, or we write it as F is equal to 23.1 Newton. Now 4.6 question is, the steering of a car has a radius 16 centimeter. Find the torque produced by a couple of 50 Newton. Couple mean two forces of 50 Newton each. Let's solve this. R is equal to 16 centimeter given data. F is equal to 50 Newton, and this implies couple mean 2F is equal to 50 into 2 is equal to 100 Newton. R is equal to 16 over 100 meter, which is equal to 0.16 meter. Torque is equal to radius of the wheel into 2F. 2F mean couple of the force, mean two forces of equal magnitude are applied. Torque is equal to 0.16 16 into 100, which is equal to 16 Newton meter. So torque produced by a couple of forces equal to 16 Newton meter. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my videos. If you have any particular question in your mind, please write in the comment box. Thank you.